on now is stick defense, as they call it Krav Maga, but we're going to use a bat because this is the common method people get attacked on the street. Either way, the principle is the exact same. So with a bat, a stick, or whatever, the distance is so important. I want to be all the way in or all the way out. So if you swing, I want it to miss. You always got to be prepared when they miss that they swing back. We're not going to get into that on this move. I'm stepping and falling in as quick as I can. So as Brittany swings, I have to catch it before. This is a natural reaction. So we're using that to our advantage. So we go with a V-step. I have to catch here. In her arms or at the end of the bat. From here I wrap, eyes, knees. From here, we found it difficult to get it just by doing the traditional method where I'm twisting. Okay? Here, I'm going to grab and rip. So we're going to show the intricacies of how you get the bat away. Little closer view. So as I swing, V-step, hitting with the forearms, wrapping, getting to the eyes, okay, distraction, knees. It's just as quick as possible, and now Brittany's going to show the grip. You're grabbing it, and you're twisting. I can't hang on, and we're already ready to be, I'm in some serious trouble. I've made a mistake. The Ninja Viking has got me.